The Dead Sea, famous for its unique mineral virtues and the highest salt concentration on Earth, where no living creature can survive. Imagine something that could defy those harsh conditions. Several years ago, a natural wonder was discovered, a microorganism living and thriving in the Dead Sea against all odds. Dr. Nona, a world-renowned researcher and physician, has invested many years in distilling this powerful force of life to create a unique formula. She called it the Halo Complex. And it is bottled in every one of Dr. Nona's health, cosmetics, and nutritional products. This new generation of Dead Sea well-being solutions is so potent it can improve overall quality of life, revitalizing, protecting, and keeping the body feeling and looking young, slowing down the aging process and providing extra vitality and energy. The Dr. Nona line is marketed in dozens of countries around the world. Thanks to her husband Michael, daughter Ruth, their outstanding team, and the network marketing system, Dr. Nona's mission to help people turned a small family business into a global family with millions of customers and hundreds of thousands of distributors who have transformed their lives at every level. We're delighted to invite you to join this family and enjoy the abundance enabled by Dr. Nona. Dr. Nona, Force of Life from the Dead Sea.